So let's talk about what we're doing today. I'm not there. It's I'm gonna be gone, but we're gonna talk about the project that you already know. Every single person in these rooms already know what they're doing because I talked to them on Friday. If they happen to be gone Friday, it's very few and far between. And I already have instructions given to people in the room to let them know what they need to do when they come back on Monday. After that, there should be nobody talking. You are in different groups, but you are not working together. These are individual projects. The groups are topics, not a participation together type of thing, okay? There are 7 different topics, and they're broken down, and I already told you what you're doing, but if the substitute needs to know, and if you need to know, every single one of these classes that I have up here, I have color coordinated which group is which, okay? And I'm gonna go through these right now. It's gonna start at the top of this wonderful sheet of paper. If you were here on Monday, it may not be colorful like this. This is the copy for the substitute. But if you were here on, if you're on Friday, you have this already. If you need another copy because you lost it, back table next to the alarm clock. Okay. If you have a copy, do not get another copy. Take it out of your binder. Don't waste paper. That type of thing. If you weren't here on Monday or on Friday, you're gonna need it. This right here, I'm gonna go in the order. Okay. Yours might not be colored like this, and that's okay. But I'm gonna tell you which groups are doing which. Okay, based on this seating chart. Anybody that is in blue on the seating chart, and that's typically the person closest to the TV on most classes, except for my first hour and my 8th hour. Most classes is that first row next to the TV. You're the Red Baron. You're going to research the Red Baron. For anybody in that next row, after closest to the TV from the front of the room, that second row, you're the green group on this list. In most classes, except for first and except for 8. You guys are going to be doing Attack of the Dead Men, okay? Next row in most classes, you're going to be my orange team. You're doing chemical warfare, chemical weapons. My back rows, which usually just has 1 or 2 people back there, you're my pink team. You're doing the Christmas truce, okay? My next row closest to the desk, that one is going to be my yellow team. You're doing the Battle of Gallipoli. My purple team is going to be my second row on the door side, closest to me. And that team is going to be Technology of World War I. And finally, the front row next to the door side, that is going to be Trench Warfare. Now, this is true for all my classes, except for first hour and 8th hour. First hour and 8th hour, whatever I colored your guys' names with, you're just going to make sure you do your project. Again, all of you guys should already know this because I told it to you on Friday, so you should be good to go there. You are doing the following things today. 3 paragraphs. Make sure you write 3 paragraphs about your topic. You're going to research on your topic, 3 paragraphs. 3 sentences minimum per paragraph. You can use your iPad to research this stuff. I sent video links out for you guys to watch videos if you have earbuds or something to block the noise from everybody else. If you don't have that, then you don't get to watch the video in the class. You get to read instead. And you're not going to your locker to get the stuff. You either have it with you or you don't. So you're going to write 3 paragraphs. If you have really good handwriting, you're just going to simply handwrite them on the back of that sheet of paper, okay? Right there where it says paragraph. If you have bad handwriting, you know who you are, make sure that you type it up on your iPad. If you don't bring your iPad, then you're going to handwrite it today, okay? And you're going to have to type it up a different day, so you're doing something today. If you don't have your iPad to research, on this front table, you are going to see a wonderful collage of file folders here of every single topic. As you're looking at these wonderful topics, you will see that inside these file folders, there are printed off documents that you can use to help with this. So not having an iPad is not an excuse, all right? When you are done using these, if you decide to use these, make sure you return them back to the file folder so I can use it for a different class. Once you are done writing your 3 paragraphs, I need you to then turn these into presentations. You know how my presentations work. Presentations class, 0 words on your presentation. I need just images. So you're going to turn these into images on your iPad. Make presentations for this. You will present on Thursday. It's 30 points. 10 points for the 3 paragraphs, 10 points for making the presentation, and 10 points for actually giving the presentation. I expect you guys to do exactly what you did the last time I had a sub. You guys are wonderful. Get to work. You won't have any other time to work on this, like I said. So make sure that you work on it today and get all this done so you're ready to present on Thursday. If you need extra stuff, remember the sheet's back in the back table. You have the Word documents up here for each one of the topics. But make sure you return those Word documents back for the next classes so there's enough for everybody to go around. All right, get to work. Peace.